IIM Ahmedabad is trying to diversify their batch with Miss India, anchors, all these people coming on board so that they can have a rich diversified background in the classroom. And because of this reason, I'll talk about this article in some time, they have divided all the students, all the graduates into 6 programs. So table 8 on the IIM Ahmedabad site for eligibility criteria, you can Google it out. Number 1, AC1 is medicine. So they are going to give preference. They are going to consider all the medical student, MBBS, MD separately. CA, ICW and CS are going to be AC2. AC3 is all the management, economics and commerce related things. So BAF, BBA, BCom, BMS are all combined together into this as number 3. Yeah, AC4 is all engineers. Unfortunately, BSc Engineering is part of this. Not all BSc, but BSc Engineering is part of this. B Architecture is also part of this lot. AC5 is Humanities, BAA, BA, all the things, LLB also, BEd also, all of them are combined in AC5. So all of you have to fit in one of these. And if you are unable to fit in any one of them, AC6 is for the other people, all the other people. I'm recording this in the vertical format. I'm trying to use a new type of recording format for YouTube today. So as per your AC 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, except for engineers, all of them, they are going to give call to almost 250 students here, 200, 250 students approximately. Students are going to get a call from IIM Ahmedabad. So 250 doctors, MBBS, AC1, 250 AC2, 250 AC3, all of them are going to get a call. For engineer, the number they have increased to 150 open category student, 85 reservation. So they've been giving a call to almost 300 students. Okay, 300 to 350 students from engineer and all these things. Okay. Hi guys, from Miss India to graphologist, meet the new batch at IIM Ahmedabad. So these are Indian Express news which have come yesterday. So let's look at that. So this is a good news for all the non-engineer that IIM Ahmedabad is now trying to diversify their batch, looking at the non-engineers in a better, in a more way. So we have the first person here in this article who is a lawyer come model, Adyan Neeraj, and she is going to be the poster girl for IIM Ahmedabad for the next few years because of the fact that she have worked as a model and been a top 21 finalist at Femina Miss India 2016 and also a lawyer. Ayush Thedij have worked in media company and media to marketing profile, and he have worked in various media houses for a long time. Palak Mishra have been a social worker and a political science graduate. So they are looking at all the non-engineer. Anushri is a graphologist. She is a CA who has also cleared her CS executive, and a swimmer and engineering engineer from NIT Surathkal, Tanish. So this is the profile we have posted. I've also interviewed one girl who been a anchor at Doordarshan. So this is a kind of a profile now IIMs are trying to diversify. But this is not bad news for engineers because we still, after all this thing, engineers are still 75.9%. 76% of the batch at IIM Ahmedabad is still engineers. So as an engineer, you don't need to worry about that. 76, you have to be just in the top 76%. See, those who could not get a call now, they will say, देखा मैं 24% में नहीं आ पाया, मेरा उसमें नहीं आया. Yeah, rather than saying that you missed 76% still engineer, why can't you be in that? ठीक है. So as an engineer also, we have to target, we have to do, among the engineers, we have to do better to convert. Let me rephrase the word for engineers. That we still 76% batch is engineers. So the good news for both the sides that engineers, we have to be clear that still 76% are engineers, which trust me is a huge number. Imagine a BCom, BMS, everybody combined is 24%. And for the non-engineer, that yes, now they are trying to diversify into various slots.